Now our next step is define customer master. Path for the same is SPRO, then logistics, sales and distribution, master data, business partner, customer create, XD01 complete. That is the path for creating customer master. So here you can give FI customer account group for your company. Then select the company code. You can give your company code here, then press enter. Title is company, name is domestic customer for your company. It is domestic customer for your company code you can write. Then give the address of the company. Street you can give. Postal code I am giving Bangalore, region 10 and country IN for India. After entering the company details, you need to click on company code data. Above you can see. Now here select the reconciliation account, that is sundry debtors 100001. You can select it from there. Sort key for sundry debtors is 031. Then click on payment transactions. Here you need to select the terms of payment is 0001. After that you can save it. So now we have created the customer master.